Welcome back, and now news from sports. Training is a crucial part of a footballer's routine. There are different ways in which a player can train, but the best model of training produces a powerful player. Australian coach Norman Boardman says training with the ball is the best way to go about it.
I will show the coaches here methods that we use in Australia, and I have tested and tried with my semi-professional team back in Australia. Methods where we use the ball exclusively at training, and we can replicate what happens in a match. There is no reason to run around the field without the ball. My philosophy is you don't learn anything running around the field without the ball. Whilever you've got the ball, you're learning. You're learning to touch it. You're learning to dribble it in the right manner. You're learning to pass it to your friend in small-sided games. So I'm hoping to show and encourage the coaches to play games at training that replicate the actual match. And I fully believe that even with a senior team, you can do 90% of your work without the ball. With the ball. Yeah, with the ball.
To adapt to the new training methods, our coaches must first have the desire and ability to change. Change is, however, the most difficult thing to accept for most. But Indian football in particular is at the crossroads, and a change for better will be the need of the hour.
The biggest thing is change, and throughout the world no one likes change. Change is very difficult because it's they see it as a barrier to their progression or whatever it may be, or they've earned the stripes and they don't want them stripes taken away. It's not a matter of taking stripes away, it's adding to them stripes. It's making them more attractive and moving forward into the future. And the future is making it all about getting people involved, making them better.
Boardman will have to inspire the coaches in Goa to relate to his methods. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Coach of Goa Ranji team Vivek Kolambkar believes that the tour of Cape Town was a good preparation ahead of the domestic season. The Goan squad of upcoming and senior players will return from South Africa on Saturday. Young coach Vivek Kolambkar is happy with the overall performance of the boys on the pre-season tour of Cape Town in South Africa. Never before had a Goan squad toured a foreign country for pre-season conditioning. This time, the Goa Cricket Association has provided the boys a great boost by sending them to Cape Town. The boys have also made the most of the opportunity by giving a satisfactory performance. Goa won a 3-day match by 4 wickets to begin the tour on a positive note. The tourists won a 1-day match while losing the other one very narrowly. Overall, Vivek is happy with how the team has responded in this fortnight-long tour. Chatting on Facebook from Doha on their return journey, Vivek said, and I quote, "It was an excellent tour. We got all good opponents, some real quick, fast bowlers, and everybody contributed towards team's good performances. Good experience for the youngsters as well as for the seniors ahead of the first-class season in India." Unquote. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.